What do you wish people knew about farming?
I guess that global agriculture is the most destructive human activity on planet Earth. I guess that would be the first thing. It's certainly the biggest threat to biodiversity, freshwater ecosystems and freshwater resources, climate, goes right down the line. But in permaculture, we have this concept or this principle of the problem is the solution. And if the practices of agriculture can shift and change, then instead of a destructive force, we have the potential for massive restoration on a global scale.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I have a morning Qi-Gong practice, actually. I tend to joke around with my crew that I'm doing Qi-Gong chainsaw.
What did you want to be when you were young?
Well, according to my parents, apparently I wanted to be a farmer since the age of 4 or 5 years old. I definitely have some early memories on farms and climbing fences. I definitely remember distinguishing the flavor between store-bought vegetables and farm-raised.
When did you realize soil was something you grew on your farm?
I think from the beginning, really. I guess like as an organic farmer, that's, taking care of the soil and realizing that you're building a bank account in the soil. Looking at soil under the microscope in a laboratory setting definitely changed the way I saw the living matrix in the soil. That was kind of a game changer.
What would you say to your younger self now?
I would say plant more trees. While they're growing, you can figure everything else out.